together with the partner Dedrick Benito. Next, we have Trixie Padua together with Justin Bravo. Once again, we have Trixie Padua together with Justin Bravo. Next in line, we have Ana Leia Crispino together with Woody Dunatre. Next in line, for the contributor, we have Casey Ramirez and Andy Perez. Next, second to last, we have Mel Pinis together with Charles Ribuglio. And last, but not the least, to complete the cotillion de honor dance, we have Shalene Ramos and Andre Mado. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all witness the cotillion de honor together with our birthday girl. Ladies and gentlemen, can you give her a round of applause with the kids and... Naka-ready na yan. Together with the kids and of course our birthday girl, Barbie. Ladies and gentlemen, can you give a warm applause? And play the music. Once again, for the cotillion de honor, we have Barbie, Trixie, Leia, Casey, Mel, and Shalene for the girls. And for the boys, we have Dedrick, Justin, Goody, Andre, Terrence, and Andre. The cotillion de honor dance together with our birthday girl. Kuya, play the music. For the take two. For the cameras, be ready. For the director, huwag takpan po yung mga nasa likod. Pwede po ibaba po yung mga cameras natin para mapanood po yung mga nasa likod. Ladies and gentlemen, the cotillion de honor dance. Kuya, DJ, drop it. Wala pa rin. For the musical scoring, we have a technical problem.
Wala na nagpapalitan ng problem.
Oo, nag-technical po yung audio natin. We have, can you please double check? Triple check. Are you ready?
Tulog na!
Okay, to all the visitors na nasa harap daw, gagamitin daw po yung nanay yung space niyo. Maaabot daw kayo dyan, kaya pwede punta tayo atras ng konti. Especially yung kids na sa gitna, okay na po yung, okay na? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the cotillion de honor dance. Palakpak po na ulit.
Ate, sit down.